Now let's go over goLoyalty's advanced setup. This feature gives you more control over your rewards. You can set exclusions, custom tiers, and even reward caps based on your store's needs. In this guide, we'll show you how to use the excluded products or groups tier within the advanced setup. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From the Rewards page, go to the Rewards section. Next, click the Advanced Radio button. When Advanced is on, Basic is automatically turned off. In the table of reward tiers, look for Excluded Products or Group, and click the Edit button under the Actions column. This takes you to the Products and Groups Setup page. On the left, under Add Products, use the Search Products field. Type a keyword, click Search, and select your products from the drop-down. Your selections will appear in the list below. Next, on the right, under Add Customer Groups, click the drop-down and choose the groups you want to exclude. Just a quick heads up, you'll need to create your customer groups in BigCommerce first before they show up here. To remove a product or group, click the X or the Delete button next to it. When you're done, click Update to save your changes. And that's how you set up the excluded products or group tier in goLoyalty's advanced setup. If you ever need a hand, just click the Get Help button at the top right of your screen. Epic's always here to help.